by telling us who beat you. Then the officers took custody of Peter. While Peter was down in the courtyard, one of the guards of the high priest came. And when she saw Peter warming himself, she looked intently at him and said, "You are with Jesus the Nazarene too." But he denied it. Okay, let's just stop there. He did what? He denied it. He denied it. Amen? Peter is the same person who did what? Denied Jesus. Yesterday we talked about appearance. Wanasema hapo huyu anafanana na ile group. Amen? But yeye akasema hapana. So he denied it. So Peter, we are saying here, is the disciple who denied Jesus at the time that Jesus really needed him. You know, at the time that Jesus really needed his apostles, you know, not just because Jesus must go through the whole what was prepared for him. But you can see Peter, how he is falling away. Mark, twende kwa Mark tena chapter 8. Twende kwa Mark chapter 8.